Hi once again, guys. So let's talk about the most common issue in children, that is food issues in children, which every parent is worried about, that my child does not eat healthy food, my child is very picky, my child becomes cranky when I tell him to eat food, and they're very aggressive or very reluctant to eat that food which I make cook for them. So what can be the possible solutions and how to deal with this? So firstly, you need to understand that children are not small adults. Yes, they are growing on a daily basis. Every day they're having some issues or the other. Their appetite is less and it's changing day by day. Their likes and dislikes are changing day by day. Their growth is changing. Their environment is changing. So everything for them is a growing stage. So the most common issues faced by children are picky eating, refusing to eat, eating junk food, not eating at the right time and delaying the food cycle or the routine. So what can be the possible solutions? So number one is set a fixed routine. Number one is set a fixed routine for your child about meals. And it's not only about meals. For children, you need to see that everything is there about routine. Everything in a child is developed, can be managed through a proper routine. So if you have a proper routine or proper time of your breakfast, lunch and dinner for your children, definitely the next time they will feel hungry at that time, because our brain works like that and so does the children. So if you're having a proper routine, then definitely they will feel hungry at that time. But yeah, you need to take care that in between the time of the meal they should not eat anything small or any snack item, right? So by the time that lunch time arrives, they are actually feeling hungry, and following your footsteps, that children will also eat healthy food, because if they see you eating junk food, then they will also be inclined towards eating more of the junk food. So you need to be eating healthy food, homemade food, so that they can follow you. So number two question I want to ask you, ki how many times you have involved your child in cooking process, or how many times you have shown him that this is the process that I'm cooking this meal for you, and you've shown him the cooking process? Hardly any time, because we always try to stop our children from exploring the areas, specifically kitchen. We avoid our children to go to the kitchen because it's fire, and then water and everything is there, so they will spill over everything. So the thing is that this is restricting your children to develop that relationship with the food. So number two point that I want to tell you is, let them explore the food outside of that routine, right? They need to have that healthy relationship, and you need to be creative about food. Like, you can give them a different colored chapati every day. Sometimes beetroot chapati in red color, sometimes yellow chapati pouring little bit haldi, sometimes carrot chapati. So this will give some innovation to the children, that they are not eating same food on a daily basis, and there can be a different variety of food present. So this will develop a sense of give them a relationship building with food. And also you need to have some creativity with that food. Thirdly, if your child sees you eating healthy food, they are more likely to accept that healthy eating is necessary, and they will only eat the food that you are eating. So follow the fact that they will always eat the food that you are preferring to eat. So fourth point would be, never pressurize your children to eat healthy food or a particular type of food or the quantity of food to finish them. Never ever pressurize them, because they see food as a task, which is not really appreciable, because they will develop that kind of pressure every time they are eating food. So you need to be light on whenever they are having less food than you want them to eat. So if they want to eat only salad someday, if they want to eat only fruit someday, or maybe only sukha rice someday, so it's completely fine. Okay, because they are children, they are still developing, they are still growing. You never need to pressurize them at all. And last but not the least, just available ही मत करिए junk food. Just eliminate junk food as much as possible. No sweets, no chocolates, no toffees, no chips packet, no cold drink, no Maggie, anything that you want to avoid. Just eliminate from your kitchen, eliminate from your fridge, eliminate from your pantry, because that is the only solution that you will be having to avoid junk food, especially when neighbors or relatives gift them something like chips or chocolate. Just avoid them and keep that in your locker, because the more they see it, the more they will attract towards it to eat what is inside that chips packet or what is inside that chocolate packet. So only solution to avoid junk food is you stop having it and avoid them in front of their eyes. And even if you want to have it, just don't let them see that you are having it. And lastly, building relationship about food is not a one day job, or it's not a one thing that you can do easily. It's about building habit over a long period of time. It's not about that you just want them to finish that particular quantity on lunch time or dinner time. So it's about building their habit and not finishing up just the quantity, कि मैंने इतना लंच दिया, खाया नहीं, ज़बरदस्ती बच्चे को ठुसा दो. Don't do that ever, because if they're having a habit to eat healthy, they will definitely eat healthy in the long term, because our goal for the children should not be of short term, that they should finish their meal or lunch or dinner. They should be eating healthy in a long term lifespan. So thank you so much, guys, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Thank you so much.